Welcome to Daily Buzz News. Today we discuss firefighters' battle blaze in Capri as strong winds complicate efforts.
A fierce wildfire erupted near Capri and the Glencairn Expressway late Thursday afternoon, prompting a full-scale response from more than 60 firefighters drawn from the city's Fire and Rescue Service, San Parks, and NCC Environmental Services. Gusting southeasterly winds fanned the flames through the Yonkers Dam area of Table Mountain National Park, forcing the closure of Capri Drive, Jamaica Drive, and several adjoining routes between Complicate and Main Road. Working on fire teams and the volunteer wildfire services joined the city's incident management team, supported by drone surveillance that provided real-time aerial visuals for tactical planning. Authorities urged Cape Townians to stay clear of the fire zone as the blaze edged close to residential properties. City Fire and Rescue spokesperson Jermaine Carrels said overnight containment lines held despite powerful winds and added that crews would remain stationed in the area throughout the weekend to monitor flare-ups. Officials have also warned that vegetation remains tinder dry following weeks of wind, meaning the fire danger index for southern slopes of the Table Mountain range remains high until cooler, moist air moves in on Saturday.
Thanks for watching.